Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove photo backgrounds on TikTok. So in here, I've already opened the TikTok apps, and then I'm going to start by clicking on this plus icon, and I'm going to choose a photo first to be the background. So you can click on this and go to your gallery. Okay, I'm going to find the background. For example, in here I'm going to use this as the background. You can tap on next, and after this, here you can click on the sticker icon, and then here click on this plus photo to add the photo to the background, and then just choose your photo. For example, I'm going to just find the photo in here. Let's find it. Okay, I'm going to use, wait a second, okay, this photos right here. Let's say now if you want to remove the background, you need to enable this upload to remove background. So just click on the little circle until it turns to blue and let TikTok remove the background, just like that. Now you can just tap on OK, and here you can see the background is removed. Now you can just adjust the size of the photo like this. So you can see now the background has changed and the old background has been removed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.